Good morning, everyone. Today we're taking our writing IA. In order to do that, we need to go to our Writing Google Classroom. Click the 9 dots in the corner, click Classroom. Then you'll see all of your Google Classrooms. Scroll until you see your Writing Google Classroom and click Writing IA number 2. Once you click Writing IA number 2, you'll see directions over here. Read them. And you'll see the assignment right here. Open the Google Doc by clicking on it. Once you're in the document, you'll see the directions. Read them. Passage 1, make sure you read the entire passage. And then complete the genre-based thinking job for the passage in the box provided. Keep scrolling. You will see passage 2. Again, make sure you read the entire passage. Complete the genre-based thinking job for this passage in this box. Keep scrolling. And then you'll see the writing prompt. Read the writing prompt, plan, and write your essay. Remember everything we reviewed this week. You got this. Do your best. Good luck.